Okay, we are having another site. Today, this is another size of the inverter we are going to install. Today, we are going to install 3.5 kilowatt. Also, it's a 24 system. We are having two batteries because this is a 24 inverter system. Each battery is 220 amps. This is a negative terminal. This is a positive terminal. You connect it like this. So now our terminals are already firm. Now we are left with a negative terminal of this battery. This is a negative terminal. You see it clearly, and a positive terminal here. So now this is the where our inverter cables are going to be connected. So this is our inverter. So this side we have a negative, this side we have a positive, we have seen. Now we are going to connect terminal. Have to make your terminals very firm. Connect to the last terminal. The last terminal, it is a positive terminal, you see, because now it is in 24. Yeah, so it has to make that sound. Okay, now the battery connection, it is done. Use a clamp meter for testing to see if the batteries are in 24. This is a negative terminal. Then I put to the positive terminal. So our batteries are in 20, the batteries are already set in 24. So now we can put on, because now we are firm. So let me first put it. Now this is the button. Already our inverter is on. Just we need just to put it on. You press. Now our inverter is on. So everything, battery setup, it is okay. You see that now it is waiting for load, yeah, to put it on. Now let's check to see if the output is coming. I'm going to use this meter to see if there is any output power. I have to first change to AC. Now this is a AC input. This is the AC output. Then we are dealing with output. Then we want to see. This is neutral. This is live. Let's put and see. You see it is showing 230. So the output is okay. It is for AC input. Now they are firm. Now this is the output cable which supplies to the load. Now this is live out. This is neutral out. Okay. When you connect, make sure that this breaker, AC input breaker for the inverter switch is off. Now, once you see here, there is a switch like a changeover. So our inverter, when it is working in normal mode, it has to be pointing here. Whenever the inverter has any fault, you can change it here. You can change it to bypass. But in the normal mode, the inverter has to be here when it is working well without any fault. Okay, now let me put this inverter so that you can see the display. Let me push it a bit. Okay. Now let me first put on my inverter first. Now it's now waiting for any load to activate any load. Let me put my breaker now, the behind breaker. You see now the grid has come. So when the batteries are already full, so these batteries they come with at least like a 87% charge depth from the factory. Now you see that the grid is there, the inverter also is charging the batteries. So you see, just the batteries are missing only one bar. It's only one bar which is missing. The batteries will be full. Now it is in eco mode, so it means when power goes off, like this, you get a backup power, because now our inverter is in eco mode. It means to give direct power to the roads, no blackout at home. So it means no blackout at home will help you in business. You have a business, you have a shop, you have a hospital, you have somewhere, anywhere. This thing shall serve for you. So our system now is already waiting for supply and load to activate. So now we can monitor our water level. Okay. They help you to monitor the water in the battery. Go and check the house to see if the inverter now is active. Let's go. Now we are checking our house to see that the inverter is it working or not. So let's first put the switch on. You see the other side. Let me first put here. You see? Wow. Wow, it looks beautiful. So that's how the power of the inverter. You see here. You see here. Wow. So our inverter is working well. You see, this is a big house. It's a very big house. So our system is working very well. Entire house, it is on inverter. So if you want the same system like this, don't fear to reach out on us. The system we can maintain your budget. So you have seen our client now is going to be happy, no blackouts at home. So no fear that there is a blackout, so because the inverter is working. So thank you for following our channel, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing. So follow us for another video like this. If you want to learn, don't worry, we are here for you. Thank you.